Hello everyone, welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. Today we will show you how to zoom in Minecraft. So let's get started. First, open your browsers and search OptiFine. Click on this link and download OptiFine. Wait for the skip button to show up and click on it. Once it's downloaded, open it. Click on Install. After finish installing, open Minecraft. Now use your C button to zoom in. It will zoom into the center where you are looking at. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to 5 Minute Solution channel for more Minecraft tips.